When was the last time you felt perfectly balanced in your inner and outer life? Time spent in nature and giving back to the natural world can impart inner peace, strength, and wisdom. The Amritaculture classes at Amrita Virtual Academy offer the perfect balance of sustainable gardening, satsang, and spiritual practices to take your connection with nature to the next level. Whether you're a new gardener with a small windowsill or a farmer with decades of experience, Amritaculture has something for you. Learn about permaculture, seed saving, community gardening methods, soil health, and more. There's never been a better time to show your love for nature. We'll see you in the garden.